Today I'm gonna show you how I create this giant effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. In this Premiere Pro, this is my video clip which am I going to use. And I'm gonna use this subject of the house, okay? And how I shoot this clip, guys, I put my camera down, just looking up. This is the low angle, guys, okay? And then your character must be closer to the camera in order to look like a giant, okay? And then this is how I shoot. When I play, now you see how I did it. And then, guys, you see how I jump. So I try to jump on, and then it will be seems like seems like this object will comes from behind this house, and then it will drop down here in front of this house. And then, guys, you have to shoot the empty space, okay? Guys, I shot the short video. That's a mistake I did, okay? But you have to shoot the empty space which have the same length with this video, okay? So now what am I going to do? Just I'm going to put this empty video on the top of this clip, okay? And then what am I going to do? And I'm going to mask my house, okay? So and then let me just come up here on this, yes, pen tool mask, guys. I'm using the version, yes, 2026, okay? Maybe you just come up here on this icon and then you choose this pen mask tool, okay? And I'm going to mask my house, okay? So let me just try to zoom it. Let me mask this house here, something like this. Yep, guys, when the mask is done, so what I have to do, let me just close this pen mask tool, okay? And then let me move this mask tool up here on this opacity, okay? And then when my character is coming, guys, now you see it is behind of this house, guys. But for me, because this house which am I going to use, you see here there is also some skies, okay, which is in the middle of this gate, okay? And then I'm going to use, so the better way for me, and I have to use Adobe Photoshop, okay, in order to remove even this empty space right here, okay? But for you, this is the first method you can use to mask if you have like, which has not a hole, yes, looks like this, okay? You can use this first method, okay? And then for the second method, guys, which am I going to use, and I'm going to import the screenshot in Adobe Photoshop, okay? So let me just take a screenshot, something like this, okay? It is in JPEG, yes, to be already saved on desktop. Let me press OK. And then let me just go on Adobe Photoshop to import my image, okay? Yeah, it's this one. And I'm going to select, yes, this house, even this hall this hall will be removed, okay? So let me use also this pen tool, okay? Yeah, something like this. Alright, so when it is already done, let me just click Ctrl plus Enter to be selected, and then click Ctrl plus G. Now you see, guys, I got the house only, okay? And then I'm going to remove this hole, okay? This one also, and I have to select it. Yes, with the same method, Ctrl plus Enter to select, and then let me just come up here for this eraser to delete, yes, yeah, this empty. Even right here too, okay, let me just come up. For this time, let me use this selective tool, guys. It's the same, yeah. Something like this, okay? And let me just delete. Alright, so now, guys, I got the PNG house. What am I going to do? And I'm going to save it as PNG image. Let me just come up here on file, go on save as copy, guys, okay? Let me just choose the PNG format, okay? And then let me just also save it on desktop. There is no pub, for example, yes, yeah, mini G, okay? And then okay, guys, so now let me just come back here on Adobe Premiere Pro to import my PNG image. Yes, I've already saved on a desktop. So this is my PNG, and then let me just import it, and then I have to put it above this clip, okay guys. So and then when I play, let me check it out how my clip it is. So now you see guys, the giant is coming. Even now you see guys here for behind of this gate, you see the giant, it is already in. That's the pretty amazing guys. This is the best way I use, okay, because of this problem I have already told you, okay. But guys, you can even use that first method in Adobe Premiere Pro to mask, okay, if you don't have like this problem like me, okay. And then so now let me show you how my giant is gonna jump, okay. So when he jumps, guys, now you see it is still behind, okay, behind of this house, okay. But I have to move back this blue line, okay, and then I have to just cut my PNG image right here too, okay. And then when he jump directly, yes, it will goes in the front of my house. Now you see guys how this effect I did it. So this is pretty simple trick, okay guys, but you have to know how to shoot this effect. Just you have to shoot like in low angle when the camera is down but pointing through up. This is a simple trick how you can create this effect in Premiere Pro. So guys, make sure before you edit it, make sure you're gonna shoot this clip well as possible in order to get the final result. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to get more editing tips and tricks, okay. And then if you have a question, please drop in the comment down below. Let me know what you think. And guys, I'm gonna see you in next video. Peace.